Thank you so much for joining today's live. Thank you so much for joining today's live. Welcome. And also comment where you're watching. Claudia works from. Where you're watching, Claudia works from. Just comment below. Hi, Cornelius Kipruto. I'm gay. Hi. Today I'm late, guys. Today I'm going live late. Yes, tell me guys where you're watching from. We have just started right now. We have just started right now. Yes, hello beautiful. Hello handsome. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining today's live. Karibuni sana. Those who are joining. Like the live. Like the live. Tell me where you're watching me from, guys. Tell me. Comment on where you're watching or you're watching me from as we wait for others to join too. I know I am late. I was supposed to go live at around 8:30, 9 there, but I was busy, very busy today. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Yes, welcome guys. We are 9. Let's get to 9 likes. Thank you so much for joining. We have just started. And guys, let me know where you're watching Claudia Works from. Comment where you're watching Claudia Works from. We have just started right now. So let me know where you're watching me from as we wait for others to join too. Thank you. We are 28. Guys, we are 28. Can we get to 28 likes? We have just started the live right now. So comment down below where you're watching me from. And also let me know whether you are seeing your flag. Let me know whether you are seeing your flower on the description. Antonio, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Thank you so much, my love, for joining. If it's your first time, kindly like the live and also subscribe. And also welcome to the family. This is where you belong. This is where you belong, my dear. Thank you so much, Antonio. I appreciate your love, your support, and everything. So, guys, let's continue liking. We have just started the live. So comment where you are watching me from. Ask me any question as we continue. Thank you so much, Antonio. Thank you so much, guys. Let's interact. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let's interact. Thank you so much for the loves. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? If you are joining right now, kindly like the live and subscribe. We have just started. So let's interact. Ask me any question. I ask you some questions, and then yes, we make this thing lively. Tatenda, Ronel, hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching from, my dear? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Thank you. We are 33. We are 33, guys. Can you let me know where you're watching me from? Let's interact. Let's make this live lively. Let's interact. Ask me question. I ask you question. So yes, like the live. Like the live. Like the live, my guys. Thank you. Also subscribe if it's your first time, eh? Subscribe if it's your first time watching the live. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, Tatenda. Thank you. Benjamin Dominic, what's your name, please? I am Claudia. I am Claudia, and thank you so much for joining today's live. Perfect Jude. Hi. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time. Like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. Those who are new here, feel at home. This is where you belong. This is where you belong. We have just started the live. Let's interact. Let's vibe. Let's get to know each other. So let me know you by commenting where you're watching me from. Desert Channel Explorers. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. We have we have Entrian. What country you had? I am in Kenya, Africa. I am in Kenya, Africa. I am not new here. Thank you so much. Always coming to support Claudia Works. We appreciate your love, your support, and everything you are doing to this amazing YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tatenda. Andrea Romania, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Subscribe if it's your first time and welcome to the family. I appreciate seeing new members here. Guys, kindly super chat Claudia. Definitely, if they feel like you can super chat me, you can give to me. Ambo Charles, hello, please can I get your WhatsApp number? Yes, you can get my WhatsApp number by following me on my Instagram. Go and text me there. That's the only place or platform that I communicate with my fans. Instagram, it's Claudia Works. Let me type it down. Claudia Works. The same name here. Aha, mchumba wangu, welcome to Tanzania my dear. Atieno, asante sana. Hivi karibuni naja Tanzania na natumai kuwa utanipokelea, unitembeze huko, pia mimi niweze kujisi kama Mtanzania mwenzako. Na nashukuru sana. Dani, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. We have number, WhatsApp, beautiful. Number on my Instagram, Claudia Works. Number, it's on my Instagram, Claudia Works. Let me pin my WhatsApp. Let dollars, pounds, rands, naira, and all manner of currency flow. Definitely, tell them. Tell them, my love. Tell them. I'm trying to one. What do you mean? What do you mean, my love? Ronel. I just need to type my Instagram account down so that those who want to communicate with me can go and communicate with me there. Hi, my love. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Today we are so many and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. People are joining and they are not liking. Guys, what do you want? 100K. Yes, let's get to 100K. Let's get to 100K. We have Anthony. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Let me write my Instagram account for those who want to talk to Claudia. Claudia Works. Let me pin. It's there. Those who are looking for my Instagram account, I just pinned it there. We have umesema unakuja Tanzania, nipe namba yako ili ukuja Tanzania niwe mwenyeji wako. Nenda kanifuatilie pale Instagram Claudia Works. Enda pale ukanifuatilie Claudia Works Claudia Works Instagram. We have Anthony. Me, I don't understand your language, please. Can you type it in English? Can you translate it in English because I don't understand your language? The only language I can understand is Swahili, English, and also Kamba because I'm a Kamba. Yes, so make sure whatever you're writing there is something which I can read and understand. 120, it's okay. Thank you so much for the love emojis. I appreciate. They mean a lot to me. I appreciate a lot. So watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Sabello. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing? Scottish. Sabello. How are you, my love? Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Antonio Goat. Anthony the Goat. What's up? Mike, Charles, mambo poa sana, uko aje? I subscribe. Thank you so much, my love. Today, honestly, I'm seeing new members here. I hope everyone are subscribed. Definitely, we are getting there to 120 million subscribers. We are almost there. We are almost there. Joining for the first time, kindly subscribe, share with your friends. Kamba Charles. Hi, Kamba Charles. Mbona unajiita Kamba? Is it Kamba or Kamba? Charles, hi. Where are you watching me from, Charles? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? Do you like football? Definitely, I am not fan of football, but let me know the team you support. Let me know the team you support. I'm not fan of. Upo nchi gani? Mimi niko Kenya. Mimi mzaliwa mkaaji wa Kenya. Saizi kwa sasa tunavyoongea mimi niko Kenya. I'm watching you from Uganda. Thank you so much, my love, and welcome. Welcome. Subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. I'm very good. How about you? I am pretty good too. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking, my dear. Thank you for. Where are you watching me from? Stabello. Where are you watching me from? Man United, Real Betis, Real Madrid, Barcelona, AS Milan, Bayern, and Ajax. It's okay. I know most of the fans here are Manchester United fans. So if you're a fan of Man U, comment. Let's go. If you love Man U, comment. If you are a National fan, comment. If you are a Chelsea fan, just comment too. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Today I'm seeing new people and I'm so excited. I hope the same way you are typing in, you have subscribed. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you have subscribed. Yes, let's continue. I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment right now. So let's continue. Thanks for the likes. We are at 14 likes. We are at 14 likes. So let's continue. I'm watching from South Africa. I got pulled by your thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate and thank you so much. Welcome to Tanzania, ila nataka nijifunze kitu kutoka kwako. Uko ready? Ndio, mimi niko tayari. I am ready. Just ask me any question you feel like you want to ask me. How are you doing? I am doing pretty good. What about you, my love? What about you, Anthony? How are you doing? And where are you watching me from? Like and subscribe, guys. Definitely, guys, like the live and also subscribe because I can see new people here. I can see new people here. So subscribe. Remember, our target is to get 5,000 subscribers before the end of the week. Before the end of the week, we need to get to 5,000 subscribers. Honestly, each day gets worse and worse. Why, Anthony? What's happening? Can you share with us? What's happening? Can you share with us? Subscribe, guys. Those who are joining for the first time, like the live and subscribe. We have Lonnie. Hi, my love, Ronnie. How are you doing? And where are you watching Claudia Works from? Welcome to the family. Feel at home. This is where you belong. This is where you belong. Guys, like the live, like the live. We have Elichai. Hi, my love. Thank you so much. So tomorrow I'm not good. Tomorrow I'm not forgetting your flag. Tomorrow I am not forgetting about your flower, my love. Eli Chai. Tomorrow I am not forgetting your flower. It will be definitely on the description. In the description, we have Ronnie. Thank you so much for the love, for the support in Israel. Thank you so much, my love. Subscribe and like the live if it's your first time. So tomorrow I am not forgetting your flag. Israel people, tomorrow I am not forgetting your flags. Watching for the first time, like and subscribe. So if you can't see your flower, let me know. If you can't see your flower, let me know. I will add it tomorrow. Depression, but no one knows, because last time a boy in my school said he was depressed. He got made fun of. Okay, what is stressing you, my love? What's the issue? Can you open to us? We can discuss. I don't understand English. Oh, I'm sorry. But that's the only language you can speak here. Where are you watching from? Israel. Me, I can only understand English. I can only understand English, Swahili, and Kamba. Was your day enjoyable? Definitely it was, and I thank God. Definitely it was good day for me, and I thank God. Thank you so much, Ronnie. Have you subscribed? That's okay. But you like Elishai. But I can see you're typing in English. I can see you're typing in English. Let's interact that way. I'm just losing interest in living, not gonna lie. Why, Anthony? What's the issue? Can you tell us what the issue is so that we can see where we can help you? Let us know where the issue is so that we can see where we can help you. Okay? Yes, you let us know. We see how we can help you, my dear. We see where we can help you. Honestly, it's always good when you are depressed or you have something going into your mind, you can share with your friend. Like, honestly, no one knows you here, but if you share with us, we can help you. What are you, those flowers? Can I get one? Your flag is your flower. Your flag is your flower. You want, I'll give you on Valentine's Day. If you want flower, come get one on Valentine's Day. That is on 14th this month. I'll give you a flower. No matter how small it will be, but I'll give you a flower if you're within Nairobi. Being bullied and getting called names and broken-hearted. In school, Anthony, in school. In school, if it's in school and you're feeling that enough is enough, why can't you get a transfer? Elisha, do you love Israel? Definitely, we love everyone. Each country and everyone, we love them. As long as they belong to Team Claudia, we love them. Anton, yes. What you can do if you are getting bullied in school, can you involve teachers or your parents? Have you ever involved your teachers or your parents? Let's start from there now. Have you ever involved your parents or your teachers? No, man. Hi, Claudia. Hi, my darling. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's live. Welcome to today's live. We have just started a few minutes ago and we are doing good so far. Honestly, no, make a step. Anthony, make a step. Share it with your teachers. Share it with your parents. From there, I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment. From there, now they will see if they will transfer you from the school or the teachers will take action about it. Chelsea, hi Claudia, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining today's live. We appreciate you for always coming to support this amazing YouTube channel of ours. Remember, it's our channel. It's not mine alone. It's a family. So we are building this together. So, Anthony, what you'll do, just just go and talk to one of your teachers who feel like can be your best friend. Talk to the teacher. From there, the teacher will take action. If the teacher does not take an action, you go and talk to your parents, and then from there you'll find a solution. Maybe you go to another school, or you'll see what to do. If you were in Kenya, I could have helped you, like where I can come to your school, talk to you, talk to your teachers, and also talk to your parents. Me, I don't joke when it comes to education and bullying. I don't entertain that, and I'm sorry to hear that you're undergoing that. I am really sorry, and the only advice I can give you: go tell your teachers, parents, and also to see if they will take action on that. And I'm sorry to hear that you are going through that. Thanks for the advice. Thank you. You're welcome, my love. You are welcome, my love. Let's continue liking those who are joining right now. For those who are joining right now, I hope I have not skipped anyone's comment. If I am talking too fast, you can let me know. Sometimes when being bullied means you should move from that space or think of something to solve. Yes, find a way to talk to your teachers and the parents to solve that thing out. If they don't, now you will take action from there. Maybe you can get a transfer from that school. Hello everyone, I think the topic is about school. Not really, we have just started the live. A shock, we have just started the live, and someone was requesting from us to give him or her an advice. Being bullied in school, what he or she can do is one of us, and when one of us is going through a lot, we have to help where we can. Okay, we have to accord him the support. We need to be one. Yes, thank you so much for those who are joining. Kindly like and subscribe if it's your first time. Let's interact. Let's keep the chat lively. Let's keep this chat lively, my loves. What time do you go live? Same time, eh? I normally go live same time, eh? Here we support each other where we can. So feel free to ask any question. Feel free to type down there. I've given you that permission too. If you have subscribed, you want Claudia Walks to go far, just give us support by subscribing and also by liking the live, and also be tuning in every day at the same time apart from Sundays. The only day I don't go live is on Sunday. The only time I don't go live is on Sundays. Those who are joining right now, thank you. Thank you so much. You play any games? Me, I don't play any games. I don't play any games. I don't play any games. Yes. I used to. No, right now I used to. I used to play football, volleyball, netball, those kind of games. Physical, not online. Physical games. We have a field there in our estate. So most of the weekend I used to go there to play those different types of games. But nowadays, I don't go because of my schedule is very, very tight. I'm a busy woman as we talk. A very busy woman as we talk. So most of the time, even I don't get time for myself. Most of the time, even I don't get time for myself. And when you see me here, just know that I need to keep my promise. Sometimes I am tired, but I have to come here to keep my promise. Dennis Kiprop, hello my love, thank you so much for joining. How are you doing today? Chamunge, do you listen to music? I'm not fan of music. Me, I love comedy, entertainment, and all that. I am not fan of music, honestly. I am not fan of music. We are missing you too. We are Kiprop. We are missing you too, and thank you so much for joining. We are 32. Can we get to the 2 likes? Also subscribe, guys, if it's your first time. Ronnie, you're very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for the compliment. I am always nice. I am always nice to you all. Thank you so much for the love, Ronnie. I am always nice to you and to everyone who is around me, who surrounds me. So Claudia, are you how life been treating you that side? Life is okay on this side. Honestly, life is okay on this side, and we appreciate. Life is good. Missing. Oh, Chamgay missing. Okay. Okay, I see. I'm sorry, I did not see it. I love music. Music is therapy, number one. Music is good. But me and music, I don't know whether I am getting old or it's what. Like even I don't want to hear loud loud voices, loud music. I don't know. The age I'm becoming, my God. Do you know any cure all remedies if an headache happens only in one side of the head? That is migraine. You need to avoid stressing yourself. You need to relax. You need to get enough sleep. And also you need to take a lot of water. Good night to go to work. It's okay. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day or a lovely night. See you tomorrow and take care. Take care, my dear. Take care. So, Ashok, number one, you need to avoid stress. Stop stressing yourself. You need to drink a lot of water. You need to rest. You're welcome. You're welcome, my dear. So all you take enough sleep. If you have home remedy, just drink a lot of water and go to sleep. Drink a lot of water and go to sleep and avoid stress at all costs. Avoid stress at all costs. I am not stressed. It's just that my sleep is not. And okay, so whatever is happening with you is lack of sleep. Bye for now, my love. Bye for now, my love. Just subscribe and Ronnie, subscribe and also put that notification bell on so that when tomorrow we go live, you don't miss. You don't miss. What you need to do is to get enough rest. You need to sleep. You need to get 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours sleep. Drink a lot of water and go to sleep. That's how I can help you. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Feel at home. Welcome if it's your first time. First timers. Yes. Another thing you want to know? Another thing that you would love to know. And today I'm so grateful that I am seeing new people. Eish. New people. Thank you for those who are joining. Let's continue liking and subscribing if it's your first time. Do you use Instagram where you put some vlogs or any cooking videos? Definitely, my Instagram account is Claudia Walks. Check it on my comment. I've pinned it up there. Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Just check out, follow me there. As we grow the YouTube channel, we also grow the other side too. Benedicta, hi, how are you, my love? Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Let's continue. I have said you took many. I have said you took make a video on cooking some. Oh, you want me to take videos? I said that only once a week. Only once a week because I can't afford taking videos like from Monday weekdays. Let me say weekdays. I cannot take any cooking video because I don't cook. I don't cook. It's not like I like food, but I don't cook sometimes because I am tired. And if I cook just small food for me and myself, all my sisters, siblings, if they are here. And another thing, remember when in the kitchen, I need someone to hold the camera for me. So you will bear with me. So maybe I do that over the weekend. I personally I love cooking so much. I love cooking so much. So just bear with me because I work up to 5. Getting home here it's around 6:37. I am tired. I need to take shower. I need to sleep. And also sometimes like today I had a class. I had a class from 5:30 to 7:30. You see? You see me, student, me children? I only met you by scrolling through YouTube lives. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome here. This is where you belong. This is home. We normally say this is home. Aha, Benedicta, mambo poa sana, uko aje? Uko aje? Unatazama kutoka pande gani ya Kenya ama pande gani ya dunia? Comment. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's continue liking and subscribing. If you have any question, you can still ask me. Let's interact. Let's keep the chats lively. Let's keep the chats lively. Those who are joining right now, thank you. Tanzania Geita, thank you so much for joining from Tanzania. I think Tanzanians, you can see your flag there, your flower. Yes, not to be rude, but how old are you? Honestly, just know that I am old enough. I am old enough to make babies. I don't disclose my age, my personal life on social media. Yeah, but just know that I am old enough. Me, I don't disclose my personal life on this social media. I'm just a children, but I am old enough. But I am old enough. Joining right now, kindly subscribe. You look like 2025. No, I am older than that. I am almost 40. I am almost turning 40. Anyway, I'm sweet 16. I'm ever sweet 16. Okay? Anthony, just know that I'm ever sweet 16. Ongea basi Kiswahili, make sisi hatukuenda shule jamani. Oh, Anthony anauliza mimi niko na miaka ngapi, na mimi mwenyewe namjibu nasema mimi miaka yenye niko nayo naweza tengeneza watoto. Kwa hivyo mimi si Kiswahili tasema aje? Mimi I don't bring ile personal life yangu hapa kwa social media. Kuna vitu zingine personal zenye siwezi sema hapa kwa social media. Guys, I'm trying to translate for those who don't know English because I know most of the Tanzanians they don't understand English. It's only Swahili. Today I saw a video scrolling in YouTube that a woman from Uganda gave birth to 44 babies. Is it real? It's real. It's real. People are giving birth a lot here outside. Unaitwa nani? Mimi naitwa Claudia Works. Mimi mwenyewe jina langu ni Claudia Works. I'm Claudia Works. So in Uganda people give birth 5 babies, 6 babies, 10 babies, and even there is another one who has got, is it 35 babies? Yes. People do give birth. Unatokea wapi? Mimi niko Nairobi, Kenya. Mimi jirani yako hapa. I'm your cousin. I'm your cousin. You're just our neighbor. I'm trying to translate, guys. So, just understand me. Edwin, How 44? Is it possible? Definitely it's possible. Just go and watch. This woman are trying to use contraceptives, but not working. Not working. Sometimes she can give 3 babies at once, 2 babies at once, one, so like that until they became 44. I think the lady is 30 something years. Is it that something? If not that something, 50 something. Just go and check. Just scroll on YouTube and check. What country you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa. I am from Kenya, Africa. If you are joining for the first time, kindly like the live and subscribe. Asante sana mwa Kenya. Karibu na nafurahia kukuona hapa na hope umesubscribe kwa hii channel yetu ambayo tunaipenda sana. Which tribe are you in Kenya? I am a Kamba. Edwin, I am a Kamba. I am a Kamba from Cumberland, from Machakos County. I'm a Kamba from Machakos County. Umeolewa. Mimi nimeolewa na YouTube. YouTube ndio mume wangu. Benedicta is asking if I am married, and as usual, I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband. Mimi, mume wangu ni YouTube. Is there any temple for Indians in your state? I know there are churches, but what about temples? Indians temple. No. I know the Indians who are Muslims. They go to mosque. Football chat spot. Are you paid by YouTube? Yes, they are paying me small money which cannot pay my bills. YouTube is paying me I don't lie, honestly. YouTube is paying me small money which cannot pay my bills. So I am not here to get paid by YouTube. I like social media. I like interacting with new people, knowing each other, learning from each other. So I do YouTube for fun because I want to learn. I do YouTube for fun because I want to learn. Gilbert. Mambo mami, name's Gilbert from Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. So nahitaji nambari yako please. Nenda pale kwa Instagram kanifuate hapo. Jina langu ni Claudia Works on Instagram. But Kambas are brown. Why are you black? I met Kambas here in Ghana. Luos and Masai are black. It will depend. They are different. They are different. It will depend where you come from. It will depend with the place you come from. You can find even white Kamba ladies. But you know, most of them bleach themselves. A lot bleach. But not all Kambas. Some. So it will depend where they come from. Some are brown, some are black, some are chocolate, some are... yes. Which amount? I don't know. It will all depend. Me, I don't check. Because the money cannot pay my bills. Anthony, I make videos when I'm bored. It's good. It's good. Just do whatever makes you happy, my love. Just do whatever makes you happy. Yes, football sport, our husband in YouTube, and our kids are shorts, and our in-laws are channels. Definitely, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Una miaka mingapi? Mimi niko na miaka ambayo mimi naweza tengeneza watoto. Miaka yenye ambayo niko nayo naweza pata watoto nikazalisha. Pentros Matavel. Good night. Good night, my love. Thank you so much for joining. And have a good night too. Thank you. Yes, my YouTube is my husband and I love him so much. That's why every day I am here talking to my husband. Any other question, guys? Any other question? Any other question, guys? You guys, today you are so amazing. I did not expect this. I did not expect this. Joining for the first time, like the live and subscribe. Okay, my question today is, what is your aim in your life, and are you following your dreams, and what is your passion, and um what to do for your family that they will be more proud of you? Definitely that is between me and my God. That is between me and my God. Those are some of the things which I don't share here on YouTube because they are too personal. I don't share my siblings, my personal life here, my family, and everything. So, just my dreams, what I'm planning to do. So, just skip that for. I will skip that question for today because my life is so private. You will know what I want you to know, not you what you want to know from me. Okay? That's why most of the time you see like I don't answer some questions because they are too personal. Maybe they will disclose, oh, maybe some part of me, or I don't want to disclose to you. I got 21/25 on my English assessment. Oh, that's nice, and congratulations. Congratulations, Anthony. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Anthony. We appreciate that for making our team proud. Eh? You must be a good student. Our teachers must be proud of you, right? Do you have that theaters in your state? Yes, we do. What do you mean? Yes, if they are if theaters, we do. I think it was the highest in the class. Most people failed. And congratulations once again. You will be position 1. You are an A student, and you will succeed in life. Just keep that spirit. Work hard. Work hard. Not working hard. Work smart. Nowadays people are not working hard. They're working smart. They are working smart. Okay, does it have, and that means yes, it has. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. It has. Another question. Guys, if you are joining this live and you have not subscribed, hebu tuende to subscribe pale kwa YouTube. Hey, people have gone to sleep. When did you start YouTube channel? Is it 2 or 3 years ago? But I've not been active. Is it 2 or 3 years ago? But I've not been active, honestly. This year I want to be active, and that's why most of the time I'm going live every day, because I just want to update you. I just want to interact you. I just want to bring this family together. I need us to grow. Who was your favorite character in the movie? Me, I'm not fan of movie, honestly. I am not fan of movie, my love. Honestly, you would get shocked. Like, my life is the other way around. Eh? My life is just like the other way around. No music. I don't like music. I don't like football. I used to like football, but I don't know what came up. And then I don't like movies. I like comedy, something that will make me smile, be happy always. Comedy, entertaining things, sorry. Yeah. So me, I'm not fan of, even if you're asking me, the last movie I watched was it Vikings? All Fast and Furious, something of that sort, and I can't remember it. That was the last time I watched movie. But I watched it because my friend were watching it. The funny part. I watched the movie because my friends were watching it. Yeah, me no fun. Me, I like farming. If you ask me anything about farming, honestly, I will shout to answer. Subscribe, guys, if it's your first time, eh? So that's me. There are some parts of me that you will know better, but there are those parts which I will not allow you to know. I don't know even what to ask. Why? Just go ahead and ask. Feel free to ask. Feel free to ask, my dear. I started 1 year ago because I made a YouTube account to comment on other videos, then got three subscribers from it, then just started posting videos, and now I am at 1K subscribers. Keep it up, my love. Anthony, just keep it up. We start small, small, then we go big. We just start small, then we go big. Okay? Don't give up. We are here to support you. I personally, I'll subscribe. Also, guys, go and subscribe to Anthony the God, the GOAT. J King, where are you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa. Just like the live and subscribe. And you, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from, J King? I ask freely, but you don't want to answer. Now you are to tell free to ask. Yes, because those are kind of personal questions. Now you want me to disclose my goals, what I'm up to, what I'm supposed to do to make my family proud. So those are big personal things which I'm not going to share. Honestly, I'm not going to share. I'm always careful when I'm talking here. Because one mistake, and remember, internet never forgets. My siblings might be here watching, honestly. What if I make a simple mistake? I'm always careful with my life and with my whatever I talk, whatever I post on social media. Pakistan. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much and welcome. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe. If it's your first time, like the live and also share with your friends. Yes. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Let's continue watching and subscribing if it's your first time. Am I clear and audible enough, guys? Am I clear and audible enough? Sorry, I got to go to bed. It's okay. Have a lovely night, my love. Have a lovely night. See you tomorrow at the same time. Don't miss, Anthony. Tomorrow, don't miss. Make sure you put that notification bell so that you don't miss the live tomorrow. J Kings, yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, my love. I am not gonna destroy your plans or passion. Don't worry about it. Anyway, it's your wish to keep your secret. Definitely, I say that I will let you know what I feel like I want to share it with you. So, okay, anyway, bye. Bye for now. See you tomorrow. Sleep good. I know it's late for you, but sleep good, okay? Tomorrow I'll bring you some chocolate. Sure, tomorrow I'll bring you some chocolate. But my secrets, I'll keep them to myself. So don't allow this social media to know who you are. Don't allow this social media to know the inside you. Okay? Yes. So I personally, I let you know what I feel like and I want you to know, not what you guys you want to know. So see you tomorrow, guys. A shock. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely night. Those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep. I'm here for the next 30 minutes and then we go. Wery. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you today? How are you today, my dear? How are you doing, my love? And where are you watching from? Where is Semnyangando Oriane? Woo! A long name. Like a whole sentence. How do I pronounce it? Resh. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and also subscribe. And tell me where you're watching Claudia Works from. Tell me where you are watching this beautiful girl from. Tell me where you're watching me from. We can continue asking questions. You can still comment. Let's keep the chat lively. Ask what you feel like you want to ask and something you feel like I am comfortable when answering. Guys, I'm always with my pens here. Don't worry. William, hello, how are you doing? Hi, I'm doing okay. What about you? What about you? Have you liked the live? Have you liked? Have you subscribed? Do let me know if you have subscribed. Yes, like the live. Like the live, share with your friends, tell them we are live. I'm just here for 1 hour. For that minutes, those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep. Have a good night. I'm wishing you a good night. Those who are joining for now, welcome. Those who are joining for now, welcome. Feel at home. Feel at home. Joining for the first time, welcome, subscribe. Vicky Mwende, I love you for free. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love, your support. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Those who would love to go to sleep, I know it's late. It's 11:31 here. It's 11:31 here. That's 2. 11:32 here, and I know today is on Monday. Some had a busy day. Others are going to work very early in the morning. Just have a lovely night. Have a lovely night. Those who are going to work, those who are working, those who are having a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, I hope you're enjoying where you are. But those who are going to sleep, I want to wish you a good night. Being an Amanda. Thank you for those who are joining. Are you liking? Have you liked the live? Have you subscribed? Have you liked the live? Have you subscribed? Thank you for those who are joining. Kindly like and subscribe the live. Subscribe, like the live. Ask me any question. Let's interact. Ask me any question. Let's interact. Thank you for those who are subscribing. Thank you so much. Hey, today we have subscribed. We are almost there. We need only 60. We only need 56 subscribers. We get to 5,000 only. And I'm very sure this week, before Friday or Thursday, we will get there. We will get there. Only 5,000 subscribers. At least we will have gained 1,000 subscribers to replace the ones we lost the last year. It's not a joke losing more than 1,500 subscribers, man. That thing trained me a lot. And you know how hard to get subscribers is, because most of the people don't want to subscribe because they think that they will be charged. But for those who understand, they are subscribing. For those who understand how YouTube goes, they are subscribing. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Welcome all. Welcome all. Subscribe, like the live too. Yes. And also you can let me know where you're watching me from. Let me where you're watching me from. You can let me know where you're watching me from. Watching me from. Like the live, guys. Like the live. Like the live. Oh. Time to go to sleep. Time to go to sleep. Joining for the first time, welcome. Like the live and subscribe. Those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep. You have a good night. Those who want to go to sleep, thank you so much for joining. Those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep. I know it's late for you. I know it's late for some of you. Thank you for joining. I can see new people joining. Can see new people joining. Thank you. Ask me any question you feel like you want to ask. Something you have been holding in your heart you'd like to ask, you can ask before I go to sleep. Before I go to sleep, I only have a few minutes and then I go to sleep. Few minutes and then I go to sleep. Any question, guys? Any question? Any question, guys, you feel like you want to ask me? Anyway, don't go. I'll be back right now. Few minutes. 1 second. 1 second. I'm coming back. Don't go. Subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Don't go, guys. Don't go. Who is this? Nashim country, Kenya, Africa, my love. I'm in Kenya, Africa. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Thank you so much for the live, guys, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much. Nashim, where are you watching me from? From Uganda. Oh, thank you. That's so amazing. That's great. Welcome. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Don't go. I'm coming. Don't go. I am coming. I am back. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ask me any question you feel like you want to ask me. Any question, guys, before you go to sleep? You before you go to sleep. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Welcome, like the live. Let's continue subscribing. We have Duncan Kimonyi. Hello, my love. How are you doing? How are you doing? Antonio. Hi, darling. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing, guys? Duncan, wewe umechelewa. Dan, umechelewa, sijui ulikuwa umeenda wapi. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Like the live, subscribe. We are at 49:45, so we need only, how many subscribers? 55 only subscribers. Guys, people have gone to sleep. Should we go to sleep too, or we maintain our time? Because I said that I would be here. I would be here for the next 30 minutes and then we go. The live was so amazing, actually. A lot of people have gone to sleep. A lot of people have gone to sleep right now. A lot of people have, sorry, I was trying to connect my laptop to charge. So a lot of people were here. I've met a lot of new people and I appreciate. We have gained around 40 something subscribers today, and that's so amazing. Just check if you have not subscribed, go and subscribe. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Nelson. Thank you so much, Mr. Nelson, for the love, for the support you have been showing to this YouTube channel of ours. This is our channel. Hi, Tony. Thank you so much for joining. Mr. Nelson, we appreciate your love, your support. Yes, a lot of people have gone. We were so many. We were over 35 and people have gone to sleep. So if you feel like you would love to go to sleep, go to sleep. I know it's late. For me, it's 11:42. If you are in Kenya, you know it's late, 11:42, but I'm not holding you guys. You can go to sleep. I'm staying here for the next 30 minutes and then I go to sleep. I'm sorry for the lateness, mommy. Aso nawasa, though I'm happy the comrades are well and you are well too. We thank God. We thank God and we appreciate that. So if you're joining for the first time, make sure to subscribe. We need only 44 subscribers to get to 5,000. At least if we get to 5,000 subscribers, at least we have replaced. Is it 11 or? My mind is running. Anyway, the reason why I'm saying it's 11 is because I'm using VPN on my laptop because of my reasons. It's 22:43:10. Saa 4 na 43. Thank you so much for the correction. I can't see my phone that I'm on my phone. I'm checking on my laptop. My laptop is using VPN, sorry. Anyway, apart from that, it's late. Dan, thank you. Apart from that, it's late. Even me, I am late. So people ask a lot of questions, so I don't think whether there is something remaining. If you have any question, you can ask. Keep the chat lively. That's all what you need. What you need to keep this chat lively. Dan naniso kuna bainiwe. Nawe nawe ende anakuwa uwaite. My Kamba language. I love Kamba, talking Kamba. So we just stay here until 30 minutes are over and then we go to sleep. And then we go to sleep. Until we go to sleep. Aina kunina zene pole. Pole si akutina kuwe. Nitu kuonana. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, give me a topic that you'd love us to discuss tomorrow. Give me a topic that you would love us to discuss tomorrow. Anything you want us to discuss tomorrow. You comment down below or you text me on my Instagram. My Instagram is open to anyone. But remember, my Instagram is open to anyone. But remember, I don't entertain nonsense. So just have respect when texting me there. Okay, I'm not scaring you, but I'm very strict on whatever I talk on social media. Yes. Charles, hi my love. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining today's live. How are you? Uko aje? Uko pipi? Unanitazama kutoka pande gani ya hii nchi? Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? I love your salonist. Guys, can I tell you, my salonist is my sister. My young sister. She's the one who does my hair. My young sister is the one who does my hair, but I have to pay her. Honestly, I have to pay her. She does an amazing job. She does my hair, but I always pay her. The way I normally go to the other salon when she's not around, I pay the same way I normally pay her. When it comes to business, I don't joke. I don't joke. So if you're in Nairobi, you want those services we are offering, let me advertise our business. So let me advertise our business. If you want our services, just go and text me on Instagram. She does an amazing work. And she is not that cheap. Don't go there and say that I want your young sister to do my hair. No, she's not that cheap. She's a brand by herself. Is that pure water? Definitely it is. It's pure water. Arusha, Kilimanjaro. Thank you so much Watanzania. Hey, leo Watanzania tumekuwa wengi na tunashukuru. Tanzanians today are so many. No, I think their flag is there. Did I put their Tanzanian flag is there? I saw it. Hello, Wabongo. Dan, where are you watching me from? Dan, unatazama kutoka pande gani? You guys, you see, when you type in Swahili, I have to translate it in English. Not all people here understand Swahili, my loves, and not all people understand English. So I have to go to translate. I have to translate. I can see new people joining. Can you subscribe, guys? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Those who want to go to sleep, feel free. Those who want to go to sleep, feel free. People are coming, going. People are coming, going, and we appreciate that. Emeka from Germany, how are you? You are my African queen, the girl of my dream. You are my African queen. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. You are so amazing. Feel at home. This is your channel. It's ours, actually. Subscribe and like the live. Put that notification so that you don't be missing the lives. We normally go live every day, apart from Sundays, between 8:30 Kenyan time to 9 p.m. That's the only time I normally go live until it. Thank you so much, honey. Emma Kashinobi. Hey, your name is so hard. Kisumu tuned in. Oh, Duncan Kimonyi. Kisumu Dala. Thank you so much. People are still joining. Thank you for tuning in. We love you. Andrew, good night. Love my wife to be. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love. Andrew, thank you. I appreciate your support, your love, and everything. I am your wife. You are my husbands. You are my husbands. I am your wife. One wife, many husbands. We appreciate. Emma Kashi, thank you. I appreciate your love and your support, and thank you so much for joining. Those who have not followed me on Instagram, please go and follow me. My name is Claudia Walks. Here, it's here down. I've pinned it somewhere. It's in yellow. It's in color yellow. Go and follow me on Instagram. Alula Gere. Hi, my love. How are you doing? Today I'm meeting new people. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, amazing. Like the life. Charles, good night, my dear. Good night, darling. See you tomorrow, same time. Solomoni, Black Beauty, that I like from Kenya. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Definitely Black Beauty. Thank you. I appreciate. Let's continue liking and subscribing. If you have any question, you can still ask me. Open to everyone. Open to everyone. And if you have a topic that you'd love us to discuss tomorrow, just comment down below or go and text me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Dan, if you are in Kisumu, I'm looking for someone who is going to supply me with fish from Lake Victoria. So make sure you chat me aside on Instagram. I need a supplier who is going to supply me with fish. Allow me wish you all blessed night and lovely one. Thank you so much. We wish you a good night. See you tomorrow, same time. But don't forget, don't forget that if you're in Kisumu, I'm looking for someone who will be supplying me with fish. So that's a business. Solomoni, are you married? Yes, I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband. You are my husband. I am your wife. Dominic Mwendwa. Hi, Mwendwa. Uko aje? How are you doing, Mwendwa? Masha Bro. VP. How are you doing, Masha Bro? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm Claudia Walks. Let's grow YouTube. Let's grow this YouTube as we grow Instagram account too. I know it's been a while without posting anything on my Instagram, but honestly, from next week, I promise you that I'll be posting. Dominic, niko poa. Unanitazama kutoka pande gani? Unanitazama kutoka pande gani ya Kenya? Those who are joining, I can see new people. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also for the love emojis. Woo! Those love emojis, they mean a lot to me. Let me tell you, you better go and tap. You better go and tap. Makueni. Wow, Makueni County. That's so amazing. I love Makueni County. I love Makueni County. The place is so cool. The view is so good because of hizo milima. I've been there several times. I normally come there at like once a month, Makueni. Once a month there, I do farming two sides, and I love the place. Despite of the place being far, I have to visit every month. Thank you so much, my loves. Thank you. Guys, check if you have liked the live. Make sure that thing, let me explain in layman's language. There is something looking like this on your phone. If you're watching through phone, there is something looking like this hand of mine. Go tap until it turns blue. If you click once, it does not turn blue, double tap it. Peter Mwangangi, uko aje? Happy to see you too, Mwangangi. Niko sawa. About you, my love. How are you doing? And also make sure you subscribe, guys. We have done an amazing job today. We have done an amazing. I joined the live late, but it was a nice one. Masha, I can see you, my love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're so amazing, guys. I appreciate your love, your support, your everything. I appreciate. Thank you so much for those emojis. Honestly, those emojis, they mean a lot to me. You better go and tap them. If you are not commenting, anything, just go and tap those love emojis, those emojis which are there. We have like 10 minutes and then we end the live. 10 minutes and then we end the live. Tomorrow I'm waking up so early. I'm not a morning person, but sometimes I force myself to. Sometimes I force myself to wake up early in the morning. I'm not a morning person, so if I sleep right now, what time is it? Almost 11. Oh, yes, I am correct. So my laptop is 1 hour behind, 1 hour ahead. My laptop is 1 hour ahead. I'm using VPN. So 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Fijian. Okay, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Naweza sema kitu but ni yangu na wewe. Anyway, happy for you. God bless you so much. Unaweza sema thank you so much and may God bless you too, my love. Thank you. Usiogope. You guys don't fear to type anything you would love. As long as you have respect here, it's okay. Because we don't accept bullying. We are always positive. Positive vibes only. May God bless you too, my love. May God bless you too. And thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have only 9 minutes and then we go to sleep. Those who want to go to sleep, please feel free and have a good night. Feel free to go to sleep and have a good night. We love you so much. Yes. 8 minutes and then we end the live because we need to get to sleep. We got to sleep. Uko poa lakini? Yes, niko poa na wewe. I'm okay and you? I'm okay and you? I said that you comment in Swahili, I have to translate it for everyone to understand. For everyone to understand. Today, you guys, you are so amazing. You are so amazing. And I appreciate that. Those who are joining right now, welcome. Subscribing if it's your first time. Welcome to the family. Make sure to put that notification bell on so that whenever we go live or upload any video, you don't miss. You don't miss. You don't miss. Good night. Good night too. Thank you, my love. Good night too. Thank you. We appreciate those who have been here with us. I appreciate a lot. We have 7 minutes and then we end the live. 7 minutes and we end the live. So those who want to go to sleep, those who want to go to work, feel free. Feel free. Feel free. And today I've not seen our lawyer. Today I haven't seen our lawyer. Those who are watching from Ghana, check for our lawyer. So today is on Monday. People are busy. Woo! I did not expect people to turn up like that. But anyway, it's God. We are favored. We are blessed. Martin Mwai from Kenya. Good night. Good night, Martin, my love. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night too. Ukuwe na usiku mwema. Martin, ukuwe na usiku mwema. Tupatane kesho masaa hiyo tu. Masaa ndio hiyo tu. Usimiss your life ya kesho. Don't miss tomorrow's live and thank you. Thank you. Now it's 11. Saa yangu ndo saizi ndo naona tuko 11 sasa. Thank you for those who are joining. Thank you for those who are joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Tarasia Joeli. Hi, Katoto. Yes, few minutes and then we end the live. We go to sleep. It's 11 right now. And I just want to appreciate you guys. You are so amazing. Today we have gained like more than 40 subscribers. We have gained in just 1 hour. In just 1 hour, we have gained 40 subscribers. And you are here watching me and you have not subscribed. I don't know what you're looking for. Just go and subscribe. Support this channel. Imagine it's ours. If I were you, I could have shared this YouTube, subscribe. We grow together. Da Bikunze. Good afternoon. Good evening from here, my love. Good evening from here. How are you doing? How are you doing? We missed you, but you have joined late. We have only 5 minutes and then we finish the live. Yes. Those who are joining right now, thank you. Like the live and subscribe. Like the live and subscribe. Those who are going to sleep, I'm wishing you a good night. Those who are going to sleep, I am wishing you a good night. A blessed, a peaceful one. Wonderful one. Okay? Any question before we go to sleep? Only 4 minutes and then we end the live. Manze, it's been an amazing one. It's been an amazing live and we appreciate it. Thank you so much for those who are joining now. We are 15. Check if you have subscribed. Check if you have liked the live, guys. Check if you have liked the live. Check if you have subscribed. And also tell me where you're watching Claudia Works from. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, for those who have liked the live, for those who have sent super chats. We appreciate. As Team Claudia Works, we say thank you. We say thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate everything. In real life, you work in the summer. Here we work every time. Even now we are working. We work every day. We work every day. Thank you so much for those who are liking the live, those who are subscribing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate. Here we work every time. No summer. We don't know summer. We don't know winter. We don't know anything. Yeah, it's about work, pay bills, work, pay bills. What do you mean? Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate. We love you. So guys, we have few seconds, counting seconds, and then we have a live. I appreciate everyone. I appreciate everyone who has been here, who has been supporting, who has been doing everything to make this life happen. Thank you so much. You guys have a good night, good evening, and good afternoon, and good morning. So see you tomorrow. Same time. God's willing. See you tomorrow. Same time. God's willing. Inshallah. So